Hello, this is postuploader.com. We are SEO-friendly blog post formatting and publishing expert. If you need our assistance to format and publish your blog post, we can do it perfectly for you. Just connect with us. Okay, let's jump into today's tutorial. Today I will guide how you can add a Countup timer to your WordPress website. Right now I am on my website dashboard. I need to install a plugin. So I am going to my plugin section. After that, click on add new plugin and here search with Kadence. This is the plugin I need to install, Gutenberg block with AI by Kadence WP. Click on install now. Activate this plugin. After activation, you see this plugin already installed and activated. I am going to my all post section. I want to add this Countup timer, this blog post. Add Countup timer before the table of content displays. For this, I am giving a enter here. After that, I am going to click on this plus icon, add blog, and here I will search with count. Then you will get this Countup block. It's coming from Kadence block. I am selecting this one. You see this Countup already started and it's stopped when it's 100. But if you wish, you can customize everything. Let me guide you step by step how you can customize it. If I select this block, come to the right side, you see here this block option is enabled. Our first settings is general. First option is starting number. You can indicate it here. What would be the starting number? For example, you want to start from 5. You can set it 5. Then it will start from 5 or 500. And it's coming reverse. Interesting thing. If you select starting number 500 and ending number is 100, then it will go reverse 500 to 100. But if you select starting number lower, ending number higher, then it will go upward. If I select it 1000, the ending number, then you see it's going 500 to 1000. Next option is number prefix and number suffix. So what is number prefix? Which number I will add in this prefix section, that number will add before this number. For example, I am adding here 4. You see, it's started from 4500. Our starting number was 500 and ending number was 1000. But when I gap prefix here, it's going to start from 4500 and going to end at 41,000. Now come about the suffix. If I add a number in suffix like 5, then you see ending number is fixed. Always 5 will be fixed. Now come to the animation duration. Right now it's 2.5. If I want to increase the speed of the animation, then just backward it will be more speedy. And if I forward it, then it will be slow. More forward, more slow. So by this way, you can customize this animation duration. Come to the 1000 separator. Right now by default it's none. If I click on this arrow icon, I can add the comma or full stop. If I add the comma, you see there has a comma. You can add full stop also. And next option is decimal. Right now it's none, but if I wish, I can give full stop, then it will display the decimal. And decimal specs right now it's 2. If you wish, you can make it 5 or more. Already I described all of the function from the general feature. Let me move to the style feature. Click on style. In this style option, you can customize this text. You can change the color, you can change the background color, you can make border radius, font, everything you can customize from here. I'm going to guide you one by one. First option is title. By default, it's selected show title. But here I didn't write anything on the title section. I'm writing Count continue, this is the title. If I disable it from here, it will not display. You see, title is going vanished. If I enable it, it's displaying here. Next option is title color. By default, it's getting the theme color. If you want to change the title color, just click here and select any color. Title color will be changed. Next option is text alignment. If I select text align center, you see text going to be center. Come to the next option, minimum height. If you want to customize the minimum height, you can customize it from here. Next is font size. Right now its title font size is default. If you wish, you can customize it from here, Excel, large, anything you can select. Even if you click on this icon, you can make the font size on pixel like 25, 20 as you wish. Next option is line height. You can increase, decrease the line height from here. Letter case you can use. If I click on this case, it will be all capital. Next, you can change the font family, font weight, letter spacing, padding, margin. Everything you can change from those settings. Next option, if I come to the number settings, click on this arrow icon. After clicking this arrow icon, same option there have, which already had for the title. If you want to change the number color, just click here and give a color of the number. Number color will change. If you want to make the number alignment change, click on center, it will be center. Click on right, it will be right alignment. So center is perfect. If you want to give minimum height, you can give font size, line height, font family. Let me change the font family. I want to use Comic Sans. You see, font family changed. If I come to the next option, it's font weight, font style. If I click on font style, it's normal. If you wish, you can make it italic. Then letter spacing, padding, margin. As per your expectation, you can customize all of the things. Style settings completed. If I come to the next option, advanced, actually there has nothing to do. But if you wish, you can use additional CSS classes here and you can make little bit more customization. By following my tutorial, you can easily make a count up timer for your WordPress website. You can use this count up timer for your blog post or any of the page of your website. Today it's done. If this video was helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video. And if you face any problem about your website blog post formatting and uploading, please comment below. I will be very happy to solve your problem. Thank you.